Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Petzl Swift RL. It's a rechargeable headlamp with 900 lumens and automatic brightness adjustment in black. It's also wearable in orange or in blue as you like. Great for trail running and skiing. Designed with a two-part headband that provides excellent stability for dynamic and intense activities. This is ideal for trail running, skiing, mountaineering, and working. We have a mode with automatic brightness. Features reactive lighting technology that senses the light levels and automatically adjusts the brightness for us. Optimizes burn time, the battery usage, and visual comfort. And with a device here which is powerful and lightweight. The Swift RL offers 900 lumens in just 100 grams. This making it one of Petzl's most powerful compact headlamps. This provides up to 100 hours of battery life and up to 150 meters of distance. That's cool. And it's really easy to use, as you can see. We press a single button to turn it on or off. We switch the light modes, we change the brightness and lock when it's not in use. Features a battery charge indicator and a reflective headband. This device here comes in a good condition. The weight is just 100 grams and it's providing us up to 900 lumens of light. The Swift RL is one of the most powerful headlamps here. It features reactive lighting technology that automatically adjusts the brightness level. That means if it is dark around you, it will shine so bright, and if it is not so dark, the shining will go just a little bit, automatically down a little bit. This letting us focus on the activity. And we have a two-part headband provides excellent stability for dynamic and intense activities. And it's really easy to adjust. You have two hubs on the back side of the device, and you can pull on it, and it will adjust it to your head dimensions nearly automatically. And you can use it for running, skiing, and mountaineering. The Swift RL is rechargeable, easy to use, and it locks when it is not in use, and features a reflective headband for nighttime visibility. With automatic brightness adjustment and a powerful 900 lumens, the Swift RL is ideal for dynamic outdoor activities. And it looks really compact and smart. Reactive lighting mode, for example, comes in the white color. We can make lighting levels low, medium, and high. The brightness will 100 lumen in low, medium 300, and high 900. The distance which you can use it is in low mode 35 meter, medium 55 meter, and high 150 meter. The burn time is in low mode 10 up to 50 hours, or medium 5 up to 40 hours, and in the high mode 2 hours up to 30. We have a reserve of 10 lumens for 2 hours if we use the low mode, and 15 lumen for 2 hours if we're going to use the medium and the high mode. This is the reserve. If we choose the standard lighting in white, low is 10 lumens, medium is 200 lumen, high is 550 lumen. This is the normal shape of standard lights. The distance here is 12 meter in low, 55 meter medium, and 110 in high. You can see the difference. The burn time is 100 hours, of course, in low. This is the standard way, 5 hours and 2 hours, medium and high. And here it comes, 10 lumen for 2 hours in reserve, 15 lumen for 2 hours in reserve. Petzl access the inaccessible, and It will shine you where you are going to need it. This is the Swift RL. It's a rechargeable headlamp with 900 lumens and, if you like, an automatic brightness adjustment. It comes in a black finish. It's black and white finish, and you can rotate it around, and you can have a look on it easily. You can adjust it by yourself. You have two LED spots which are going to use. You can use it easily, and you can lock it where you like. This is cool. This is a good thing to work as a mechanic, for example, or if you're going to work outdoor to have some outdoor activities, or you go to have sport activities out there. And of course, you can replace the battery because the battery is removable. So you can reattach this with a new, for example. And this makes this rechargeable headlamp brings to a awesome long lifespan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.